ਸਤਨਾਮ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ। ਸ੍ਰੀ ਨਾਨਕ ਪਦ ਪੰਕਜ ਬੰਦਨ, ਪਦ ਪੰਕਜ ਬੰਦਨ। ਸਿਮਰੋ ਅੰਗਦ ਦੋਖ ਨਿਖੰਡਨ, ਗੁਰ ਅਮਰਦਾਸ ਨਿਤ ਹਿਰਦੈ ਧਿਆਵੋ, ਗੁਰ ਹਿਰਦੈ ਧਿਆਵੋ। ਗੁਰ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਗੁਣ ਗਾਵੋ, ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਰਜਨ ਬਿਗਨਨ ਕੇ ਨਾਸ਼ਕ, ਬਿਗਨਨ ਕੇ ਨਾਸ਼ਕ। ਸ੍ਰੀ ਹਰਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸ਼ੁਭ ਸੁਮਤ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ਕ, ਸ੍ਰੀ ਹਰਿ ਰਾਇ ਨਾਮੋ ਕਰ ਜੋੜੀ, ਨਾਮੋ ਕਰ ਜੋੜੀ। ਸ੍ਰੀ ਹਰਿ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਮਨਾਏ ਬਹੋਰੀ, ਗੁਰ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਪਰਮ ਕਿਰਪਾਲਾ, ਗੁਰ ਪਰਮ ਕਿਰਪਾਲਾ। ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਬਿਸਾਲਾ, ਤਰੋ ਤਰਾ ਪਰ ਪੁਨ ਪੁਨ ਸੀਸਾ, ਪਰ ਪੁਨ ਪੁਨ ਸੀਸਾ। ਬੰਦੋ ਬਾਰ ਬਾਰ ਜਗਦੀਸਾ, ਜਿਸ ਮਹਿ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਗਿਆਨ ਹੈ, ਮਾਨਗ ਭਗਤ ਵੈਰਾਗ। ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਉਦਦ, ਬੰਦੋ ਕਰ ਅਨੁਰਾਗ। ਏਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ, ਤੇਹ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦਿ ਸਚ ਹੋਏ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਹੈ, ਬਿਗਨ ਬਿਨਾਸਨ ਸੋਏ। ਕਹਾਂ ਬੁੱਧ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਤੁਸ਼ ਹਮਾਰੀ, ਬਰਨ ਸਿਕੇ ਮਹਿਮਾ ਜੋ ਤਿਹਾਰੀ। ਹਮ ਨਾ ਸਕਤ ਕਰ ਸਿਫਤ ਤੁਮਾਰੀ, ਆਪ ਲਿਹੋ ਤੁਮ ਕਥਾ ਸੁਧਾਰੀ। ਹਮ ਨਾ ਸਕਤ ਕਰ ਸਿਫਤ ਤੁਮਾਰੀ, ਆਪ ਲਿਹੋ ਤੁਮ ਕਥਾ ਸੁਧਾਰੀ।
ਸਤਨਾਮ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀਓ। ਸੁਨ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅੰਗਦ ਬਚਨ ਉਚਾਰਿਓ, ਤੁਮ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਰੂਪ ਨਿਹਾਰਿਓ। ਕਬ ਕੀ ਗੁਰ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਮਨ ਮਾਨੀ, ਪਰਮ ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਮਹਿ ਮਤ ਲਪਟਾਨੀ। ਸੁਨ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅੰਗਦ ਬਚਨ ਉਚਾਰਿਓ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੀ ਗੋਦ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਣਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, ਆਪ ਜੀ ਵਡਭਾਗੇ ਹੋ, ਜਿਨ ਕੇ ਭਾਗ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੈ ਭਾਈ, ਤਿਨ ਸਾਧੂ ਸੰਗ ਮੁਖ ਜੁੜੇ। ਆਪ ਜੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਮਹਾਨ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਹੋਈ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦੀ। We're all blessed here to be listening to the Amritmayi Katha, the Itihasik Katha of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. Our destiny is blessed to be in the Sharan of Guru Sahib, listening to their Itihas, listening to their Bani. Those ears that can listen to this Itihas, those ears are blessed. Why? By listening to this Itihas, our surti, our mind can go into the same footsteps that Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj had once walked onto this earth. Sat Sangat Ji, in the previous sections, we have started Sri Nanak Prakash. Previously, we went through how Bhai Balaji, sitting at their asthan, and Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj sitting at their asthan. Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj being in Khadur Sahib, and Bhai Balaji being in Rai Bhoi di Talwandi. It is Katak da Mahina, it is the month of Katak, which falls around November. It is the Purnamashi Raat. It is the night of full moon. It is the night that Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj had taken Prakash onto this planet. It is that night when Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj is sitting in Bairag of their Pati Parameshwar Sri Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. It is that same night that Bhai Balaji, sitting in Raipur di Talwandi, is also sitting in Bairag of their Ishtadev, their Pati Parameshwar Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. At that moment, Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, they have a thought. They said, is there anyone that can tell me the itihas of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj? At the very same time, Bhai Balaji had a thought. They had a furna as well. And the thought that came to them was, who is the next Guru after Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj? I lived with Guru Nanak Dev Ji all my life, but the next Guru, I don't know. At the time that they had received this thought, Bhai Balaji went to the Sangat. They asked, who is the next Guru? Does anyone know? Right away, someone said, yes, it is Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, who is sitting on the seat of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and they're in Khadur Sahib. Bhai Balaji, right away, they left their asan in Raipur di Talwandi. They couldn't control their angs, they couldn't control their sarir. They ran towards Khadur Sahib. Upon reaching Khadur Sahib, Bhai Balaji does darshan, does namaskar to Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. They do namaskar, they sit down, and Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj and Bhai Balaji then have a vichar, then they have a talk, they have a conversation. That conversation, Bhai Kavi Santokh Singh Ji has penned it down in Sri Nanak Prakash. Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj asks Bhai Balaji. They say, who is your Guru? What path have you taken? Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj is Antarjami, they know everything. But even then, for the sake of itihas, for the sake of us future Sikhs who hear these sakhiyan, Guru Sahib plays their Leela. Leela means a play. Guru Sahib plays this amazing kotak, these amazing miracles, so that we, the Sikhs in the future, can take a labh, can take anand from these sakhiyan. Guru Angad Dev Ji asks Bhai Balaji, who is your Guru? And Bhai Balaji responds, Shri Nanak Ji, Mam Gur Puran, Mam Mera Jara Pura Guru, that's Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, who has come here into this Kaljug to save samsara. So in this prasang today, we'll be picking up from right there, from that conversation, right after Bhai Balaji says, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is my Guru. Aao Satsang Ji, let's hear that conversation, let's hear what unfolds after that. How Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj requests Bhai Balaji to let them hear the itihas of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. How the whole history of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj is written down, we'll hear that today. Aao Satsang Ji, before we start, let's do Ucharana of the Sri Guru Mantar. Let's do Ucharana, let's make our Rasna Pavitr. Akho ji Satnam Sri Vahe Guru Sahib Ji. Fir Akhana ji Satnam Sri Vahe Guru Sahib Ji.
Satnam Shri Vaheguru Sahib Ji. Sun Sri Angad Bachan Ucharyo.
ਇਹ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਜਦੋਂ one Bhai Balaji said, my Guru is Guru Nanak Dev Ji, right after hearing this, Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj ਇਹ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਬਚਨ ਉਚਾਰਨਦੇ ਹਨ.
Tum Guru Nanak Roop Niharyo.
Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj says, Tum Guru Nanak Roop Niharyo. With their own mouth, by Kavi Santokh Singh Ji, Ba Kamal. The amazing thing that they have done, they have penned down the Mukhvak of Guru Angad Dev Ji. They have penned down the exact words that Guru Sahib said in their own ampav, in their own experience. Kavi Ji has seen and heard all these bachans that Guru Sahib has said at that time, and they wrote it down. Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj's response, they said that you are Guru Nanak Dev Ji's roop for me. By seeing you, Bhai Balaji, I've done darshan Guru Nanak Dev Ji again. Hanji.
Kab ki gur sikhi man mani.
Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj asks Bhai Balaji, Kab ki, since when? Gur sikhi man mani. Since how long has it been since you have been a Sikh of the Guru?
Param prem mehmat laptani.
How long has it been since you have been Param Prem, this immense love, this utmost love, this ਸ਼੍ਰੋਮਣੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਹੈਗਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਦਾ, since when have you been attached to that love? ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਬਾਲਾ ਬੋਲਿਓ ਸੁਣੋ ਦਿਆਲਾ।
ਭਾਈ ਬਾਲਾ ਜੀ response, they say ਸੁਨੋ ਦਿਆਲੂ ਕਿਰਪਾਲੂ ਗੁਰੂ ਅੰਗਦ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ।
ਤਿਨ ਕੈ ਸੰਗ ਰਹਿਓ ਚਿਰਕਾਲਾ।
I have stayed with Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj for a very long time, Chirkala, for a very long time.
ਤੀਨ ਬਰਖ ਤਨ ਬੈਸ ਵਡੇਰੀ।
My age is 3 years older than Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj.
ਬਾਲ ਤੁਰਨ ਬਹਿ ਬਿਤੀ ਬਤੇਰੀ।
I have spent my balpan, my young youth with them. I have spent my javani, my youth with them, and then I spent my old age as well with them. Hanji.
ਦੋਹਰਾ ਦਹਿ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦਰਸ ਦਿਖਾਓ ਦਇਆ ਦ੍ਰਿਸ਼ ਕੋ ਦੇਖ।
Bhai Balaji says, when Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj has travelled Dahadish, the 10 directions, Dah means 10, Dish means Disha, Dishama, the directions. When Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj travelled all over Bharat Khand, and when they travelled to all the other countries, Baghdad, Afghanistan, Kabul, when they went all through all these places, I have seen Maharaj give darshan to all the other people. I have seen Guru Sahib give darshan to those people that needed it the most. Hanji.
ਨਿਕਟ ਰਹਿਤ ਤਨ ਚਰਨ ਹਮ ਧਾਰਿਓ ਜਗਤ ਬਿਸੇਖ।
And I have stayed with Guru Nanak Dev Ji through that whole time. Nikat Rahat, Nikat means right nearby. I stayed so close to Guru Nanak Dev Ji when they traveled everywhere. And then when they were saving the whole world, Dario Jagat Basek, when they were saving so many people, I was right next to them. Hanji.
ਦਇਆ ਐਣ ਸੁਨ ਬੈਣ ਏ ਦੈਣ ਭਗਤ ਨਿਜ ਦਾਸ।
The moment that Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj hears these words, that the roop of Daya and the Kar, the house of Daya, the house of compassion, when that house of compassion, Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj heard these words, they gave their love, they gave their bhakti in their eyes, they filled up their eyes with that bhakti, and they gave it to Bhai Balaji. Hanji.
ਉੱਠ ਕਰ ਭੁਜ ਪਰ ਘਰ ਮਿਲੇ ਔਰ ਧਰ ਪਰਮ ਹੁਲਾਸ।
How did they give that bhakti? They got up from their asan, and right away they took Bhai Balaji into their arms. They embraced Bhai Balaji, and they gave them so much love. They gave Bhai Balaji a hug. Hanji.
ਜੋ ਪਈ ਬਹੁਰ ਬਿਲੋਚਨ ਮੁਚਾ ਬਿਰਾਗਾ।
And then what happened? Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj is such a bairag state that they're with such a anin Sikh of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. Anin means hor, duja, and the nanna at the end, it means not, no. There's no one like that Sikh. Anin Guru Sikh means like no other. Yeah. Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, when they embraced Guru Bhai Balaji, they started to tear up. This tears started rolling down their eyes of bairag. Hanji.
ਕਰ ਔਰ ਚਰਨਨ ਬਰ ਅਨਰਾਗਾ।
And within their heart, they had the dhyan of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj.
ਧੀਰ ਨਾ ਧਰਹਿ ਅਦਿਕ ਧਰ ਆਸੂ।
Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, they could not control themselves. They started to tear up so much. Tears started going rolling down their face. Hanji.
ਪਰਤ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕੀ ਭਗਤ ਉਲਾਸੂ।
Bhagat Preet ki Bhagat Ulasu. Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, the tears that are falling out are the tears of Prem Bhakti. Hanji.
ਸਵਤਾ ਅਸਤ ਨਿਸਾ ਹੋਈ ਆਈ।
Hanji. Savata Astans. When night time started coming, Hanji.
ਬਾਲਾ ਰਹਿਤ ਭਇਓ ਤਿਹ ਥਾਈ।
Bhai Balaji decided to stay at that area. Bhai Balaji decided not to leave from that area. Hanji.
ਸਿੱਖ ਸੰਗਤ ਜਿਹੇ ਮਿਲ ਸਮਦਾਇਆ।
Sikh Sangat Jahe Mil Samadaya. And when Bhai Balaji stayed at the area, all the Sikh Sangat that was there, they heard Bhai Balaji's here, Sikh Guru Nanak Dev Ji's here. They all wanted to meet Bhai Balaji. So where all the other Sikh Sangat were staying, the Sikh Sangat were staying in Khadur Sahib, Bhai Balaji went to go meet the other Gur Sikhs upon their request. Hanji.
ਤਹਾਂ ਬਸਿਓ ਸਭ ਹਿਨ ਮਨ ਭਇਆ।
Paya. Othe bara Bhai Balaji ਸ਼ੋਭ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ. They're sitting with the other Guru Sikhs and they're pleasing everyone else's mind. Hanji.
ਨਿਸਮੈ ਭਨਤ ਰਹਿਓ ਤਿਨ ਸਾਥਾ।
They sari raat, for the whole night long, Bhai Balaji stayed with those Guru Sikhs. Hanji.
श्री नानक की सुंदर गाथा
And what did they speak about the whole night long? The whole night long they spoke about Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj Sundar Gatha, the beautiful Sakhis of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj.
अंगद मगन लग्यो मन ध्याना.
And so here Bhai Balaji is sitting with the Gursikhs and they're sharing Sakhis of Guru Nanak Dev Ji all night long, where Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj where their asana was. All night long they were sitting in Dhyan. They were sitting in Dhyan and they were remembering Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj.
आसन बैस्यो भई बिहाना.
And then ਜਦੋਂ ਸਵੇਰ ਆਇਆ, when the morning came, ਹਾਂਜੀ,
पुन पूखण प्रसाहत भयो.
prakashat payo, when the sunrise came, the sun gave its darshan, when the Suraj became prakashman into the sansar.
छुटी समाद स्नानंग केयो.
At that moment Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, they broke their samadhi, they broke their dhyan and they took ishnan, hanji.
बैसे बहुर बुलायो बाला.
And then after they took ishnan, they sat on their asan and they called for Bhai Balaji, told the Guru Sikho, Bhai Balaji nu leke aavo.
बंधन करी आन तत्काल.
Right away, tatkal, right away Bhai Balaji comes and does bandhan, does namaskar in front of Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj.
दोहरा गुरु अंगद श्री मुख कहयो सब इतिहास सुनाओ.
From their pavitra mouth, Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, they say these words, Sab itihas sunao. Bhai Balaji, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦਾ ਸੁਣਾਓ, ਹਾਂਜੀ.
श्री नानक के जन्म ते सकल कथा समझाओ.
ਸਾਰੀ ਕਥਾ from the start of when Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj takes Prakash to their Jyoti Jyot Sama, tell me all of that katha, tell me all of that itihas, ਹਾਂਜੀ.
जो पई बाले गुर प्रत गिरा उचारी.
Bhai Balaji ne Guru Prati, Prat means to address. They addressed this bachan to the Guru. Bhai Balaji addressed their bachan to the Guru. Guru Prati Bhai Balaji ne ਇਹ ਵਾਕ ਉਚਾਰਿਆ.
जन्म कथा अनजान अगारी.
Maharaj, Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੀ ਕਥਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹਾਂ. I can tell you the whole katha of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, but I am just anjan. I just don't know about when Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj took Prakash. When they took Prakash, I was 3 years of age. I was not old enough to remember how that scene, the Vatara was, hanji.
बहुत नरन ते एह बिद सुनी.
But both Naranto, from a lot of manuks, from a lot of people, I've heard this. What I've heard, I can tell you, hanji.
सो तुम पास बखान तो गुणी.
ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਾਸ ਮੈਂ ਬਖਾਨਦਾ ਹਾਂ, ਭਾਈ ਬਾਲਾ ਜੀ ਆਖਦੇ ਹਨ
उर्ज मास की पूर्ण मासी.
ਕਿ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਉਹ ਉਰਜ ਮਾਸ means month, ਮਹੀਨਾ, ਉਰਜ means ਕੱਤਕ ਦਾ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਸੀ, and it was ਪੂਰਨਮਾਸ਼ੀ ਦੀ ਰਾਤ, ਹਾਂਜੀ, full moon, it was a full moon that night, ਹਾਂਜੀ.
पिनस्त सपत निछतर सुरासी.
ਤੇ ਉਹ ਬੜੇ ਸੁੰਦਰ ਨਛੱਤਰ ਸਨ. It was a very beautiful cosmetic vartara that was going on, ਹਾਂਜੀ.
और सुनी सो करो उचारी.
ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਰ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਹਾਂ.
पत्री जन्म लिखी दिज सारी.
There was a patri, a birth document, a birth certificate that a dij means Brahman. A Brahman, at that time period, when someone was born, just like now we have certain authorities that will make a birth certificate for the newborn child. In that time, there was also a registration process. There was also a paperwork that was done for newborn children, and that was called a Janam Patri. Okay? So it was called basically a birth certificate, and that was created by the Brahmins, who were the religious leaders at that time. Yeah. So Dij means a Brahman, Duja Janam. Dij, Ja means Janam, De meaning Duja. Duja Janam, jada Duja Janam hunda, because Brahmins believe that jade Brahman hunde ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਦੂਜਾ ਜਨਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ they're called Dij. So Bhai Balaji said, I've heard there's also a Janam Patri that's been written of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj.
कालू नानक जनक जनीचै.
Pita, the father of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, who was Baba Kalu Ji, it is with them, hanji.
धाम मद तह धरी लखीजै.
It is within their house, hanji.
पापर लोक काल बहु कालू.
But Pita Kalu Ji, Baba Kalu Ji they have done Parlok Gaman. They have done their Akal Charana. they have passed away, so they're no longer here now. Hanji.
ਜੀਵਤ ਅਨੁਜ ਨਾਮ ਤਹਿ ਲਾਲੂ
But there is their Shota Pra, there is Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj Chacha Ji. So the younger brother of Pita Kalu Ji, Baba Kalu Ji, the father of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the younger brother of Pai Kalu Ji is Pai Lalu Ji. And Pai Balaji is saying that although Pitaji, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Pitaji has passed away, their younger brother still is alive today. Hanji.
ਦੋਹਰਾ ਬ੍ਰਿਧ ਬੈਸ ਬਪ ਬਲ ਬਿਨਾ
Hanji.
ਬੀਤੇ ਬਰਖ ਵਿਸਾਲ
So they're saying, Pai Balaji is saying to Guru Angad Dev Ji that Pai Lalu Ji is very old, Brid, ਬਹੁਤ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਮਰ ਹੈਗੀ ਬਹੁਤ they're very old now. They don't have much bal into their ਸਰੀਰ. A lot of years have passed for them in their life. Hanji.
ਤਲਵੰਡੀ ਮਹਿ ਸੱਦਣ ਤਿਸ ਸੁਣੋ ਸ਼ਰੂਣ ਗੁਰਦਿਆਲ
But their house is in Talwandi, Rai Poe di Talwandi, and for that reason Guru Angad Dev Ji ਇਹ ਬਚਨ ਸੁਣੋ that the Janam Patri could still be around within Pai Lalu Ji's house. Pai Lalu Ji can be the Chacha Ji of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj.
ਜੋ ਪਈ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅੰਗਦ ਸੁਣ ਔਰ ਬਹੁ ਹਰਖਾ
When Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj listened to these bachans, within their heart they were very khush. Bo harkha, they became very happy hearing these bachans. Hanji.
ਪਰਮ ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਜਿਉ ਜਲ ਤਰ ਬਰਖਾ
Just like a badal, just like a cloud of Mahaprem, just like a cloud of such high level prem were to burst and rain upon. That's what happened in Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj's heart. The love of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj took the form of a cloud and it rained upon their heart. Hanji.
ਬੋਲੇ ਗਿਰਾ ਰਸਾਲ ਕਿਰਪਾਲਾ
Guru Angad Dev Ji Kripalu Dayalu Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj ਇਹ ਬਚਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵਾਚਿਆ. ਹਾਂਜੀ.
ਕਿਤ ਬਿਦ ਲੀਜੈ ਪਤਰੀ ਬਾਲਾ
Bhai Balaji, how can we get this patri, this Janam Patri, this document of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj's birth? How can we get it? Was important for Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj to receive this patri because, like we said, the patri is a documentation of the birth. So it notes down many important essential things. For example, the birthplace, the birth timing, everything. So because Bhai Balaji doesn't know the Vartara of when Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj took Prakash, the Janam Patri couldn't give that crucial information. For that reason, Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj is actually asking Bhai Balaji, how can we receive this patri? Hanji.
ਐਸਾ ਕੌਣ ਮੀਤ ਸਿੱਖ ਹੋਈ
Is there any friend of ours, any friend, any Sikh that can go give us this patri? Hanji.
ਪਤਰੀ ਕੋ ਦਰਸਾਵਹਿ ਜੋਈ
Jo sanu e patri dikhlawa. So someone that can show us this patri. Is there anyone around that can give us the patri? Hanji.
ਬਾਲਾ ਕਹਿ ਖੋਜ ਜੋ ਕੀਚੈ
Bhai Balaji said, Maharaj, ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਖੋਜੀਏ
ਤੋ ਨਿਹਚੈ ਪਤਰੀ ਕਰ ਲੀਚੈ
ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਿਸ਼ਚੈ ਕਰਕੇ for sure we can get the patri. Guru Sahib ji, ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਹੋਏ, when we do ਖੋਜ we can definitely get the patri. Hanji.
ਲਾਲੂ ਆਲਿਆ ਮਿਲ ਕਰ ਤਾਸੂ
Bhai Balaji says, I am sure that we can find this patri in Bhai Lalu Ji's ਘਰ. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj ਚਾਚੇ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਪਤਰੀ. ਹਾਂਜੀ.
ਖੁਜਵਾਵਹਿ ਜਬ ਤਹਿ ਕੇ ਪਾਸੂ
ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ if we were to do khojna, if we were to go search the house, I'm sure we can find it. ਹਾਂਜੀ.
ਤੋ ਕਰ ਆਵਹਿ ਪਾਠ ਬਹੁ ਖੋਈ
ਪਠਬਹ ਕੋਈ. So Guru Sahib says, to kar aavhe pathbah koi. Bhai Balaji says we can quickly go and find the patri. Hanji. Hero.
ਹੀਰ ਹੋ ਪੂਰ ਮਨੋਰਥ ਹੋਈ
ਤੇ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇੱਛਾ ਹੈਗੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅੰਗਦ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਉਹ ਪੂਰੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ.
ਦੋਹਰਾ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅੰਗਦ ਬਾਕੀ ਗਿਰਾ ਹੋਵਹਿ ਤੁਮ ਤੇ ਕਾਮ
And Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, they respond, ਭਾਖੀ ਗਿਰਾ. ਇਹ ਬਚਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਅੰਗਦ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਬੋਲੇ, ਹੋਵਹਿ ਤੁਮ ਤੇ ਕਾਮ. Bhai Balaji, you are the one that can do this carriage. Bhai Balaji, you're the one that can go find the patri.
ਤਾਹੇ ਨਗਰ ਮੈਂ ਰਹਿਤ ਹੋ ਖੁਜਵਾਵ ਹੋ ਤਹਿ ਧਾਮ
Because ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਗਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ, you have stayed in Raipur Talwandi, you know the ins and out of that area. For that reason ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਓ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਖੋਜੋ. find Pai Lalu Ji's house and find the patri, Hanji.
ਜੋ ਭਈ ਕਹਿ ਬਾਲਾ ਮੁਖ ਸਸੀ ਸਦ ਸੁਦਾਸੀ
Pai Balaji. So Kavi Santokh Singh Ji is writing the description of Pai Balaji's face. They say Pai Balaji's face is the moon. And the itihas that they're saying now, the words they're going to say is Sudasi. The words that Pai Balaji is saying is the Amrit Ras that comes out of the moon, the moonlight, the cool, thandi moonlight that comes out of the moon. That is the words that Pai Balaji is saying, Hanji.
ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅੰਗਦ ਸੁਣੀਏ ਸੁਖ ਰਾਸੀ
What is Pai Balaji saying? They're saying that Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, Sukha Di Khan. Khan means a mine, where jewels and other diamonds, pearls, there you can mine from them in that area. Sukha Di Khan, Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, you are a mine of sukh, where a Sikh can go, do namaskar to each other and get so much sukh out of you. Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj, ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਬਚਨ ਸੁਣੋ,
ਏਕ ਸਿੱਖ ਦੀਜੈ ਮੁਝ ਸਾਥੂ
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਸਿੱਖ ਦਿਓ. Give me one Sikh that I can take ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਥ, ਜੋ I can take with me to go find the patri, ਹਾਂਜੀ.
ਜਾਵਹਿ ਜਸ ਪਦ ਦੀਨਾ
ਤੇ
ਨਾਥੂ
ਆਪਾਂ ਜਸਵਤ ਛੇਤੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾਏਂਗੇ. We'll go right away. Just give me one Sikh that I can take with me, ਹਾਂਜੀ.
ਲਾਲੂ ਆਲਿਆ ਲਹਿ ਤੁਲਾਈ
ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਭਾਈ ਲਾਲੂ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ, ਬਾਬਾ ਲਾਲੂ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਖੋਜ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਪਤਰੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ.
ਆਨ ਹੈ ਹਮ ਜੇ ਤਾਹੇ ਪਾਈ
ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਘਰ ਆ ਕੇ we will come back with that patri and give it to you, Maharaj.
ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸੀਦ ਬਾਲੇ ਪਰ ਤਬ
Guru Sahib ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋਏ. Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj was so happy with Pai Bala Ji.
ਚਿਤ ਕਰਤਾਰ ਨਾ ਬਿਸਰੈ ਔਰ ਕਬ
And they give a vardhan, they give a blessing to Pai Bala Ji. They said, Pai Bala Ji, Chit Kartar na bisra or kab. You will never forget Kartar from your heart, Hanji.
ਲਾਲ ਪੰਨੂ ਸਿੱਖ ਸਦਾਇਆ
But Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj calls for a Gursikh. They call for a Sikh whose name was Pai Pannu Ji. So they call for Pai Pannu Ji, who will go with Pai Bala Ji.
ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਮੁਖ ਤੇ ਏਵ ਵਾਕ ਅਲਾਇਆ
And with Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj from their Pavitra Mukhara, they spoke these words to Pai Pannu Ji.
ਗੁਰ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਤੁਮ ਮਹਿ ਅਧਿਕਾਈ
They said, Pai Pannu Ji, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖੀ ਹੈ. You're the embodiment of ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖੀ.
ਜਿਵ ਸਾਵਨ ਸਰਤਾ ਬਹੁਤਾਈ
Just like in the months of Savan, the months of the monsoon season, the rivers full up with water. In that same way, Pai Pannu Ji, your heart is full up with Sikhi. Saad Sangat Ji, ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਿਸ਼ਰਾਮ ਦੇਂਗੇ. Today, so here we listened up to that Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj is going to send Pai Bala Ji and Pai Pannu Ji to Rai Poi di Talwandi to find the Janam Patri from the house of Pai Lalu Ji, the Chacha Ji Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. In the Agle Prasangs, in the next episodes, you will see how Pai Balaji travels with Pai Pannu Ji, and they go into the house. They go find the house of Pai Lalu Ji, and they look for the patri together. It takes them many days, but they do find the patri. That sakhi, that vartara that happens, we will hear about it in the next episodes. Aao Saad Sangat Ji, maafi baksho for the mistakes we have done. ਆਪਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਆ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਕਥਾ ਸੰਪੂਰਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੇਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਕਥਾ ਸੰਪੂਰਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਆਪ ਜੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੇ ਅਸੀਸਾਂ ਜੀ, ਅਨੇਕ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਉਸੇ ਬਖਸ਼ ਦਿਓ. ਆਓ ਅਖੀਰਲੀਆਂ ਪੰਕਤੀਆਂ ਉਚਾਰ ਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਤਿਹ ਬੁਲਾਏਂਗੇ ਜੀ. ਲਾਲ ਪੰਨੂ ਸਿੱਖ ਸਦਾਇਆ, ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਮੁਖ ਤੇ ਇਵ ਵਾਕ ਅਲਾਇਆ, ਗੁਰ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਤੁਮ ਮਹਿ ਅਧਿਕਾਈ, ਜਿਵ ਸਾਵਨ ਸਰਤਾ ਬਹੁਤਾਈ. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ.